YouTube as well as on Instagram, and now also on my new website, crystalsoulsandstuff.com. So I just wanted to go ahead and announce to you all that I started a new website, and I love it if you check it out. And on this in the new website, I'm linking all of my sewing things for you, and a little bit of my knitting things with you as well. So on the new website, I'm sharing with you my sewing story, as well as links to companies that I work with, like Love Notions and Minerva, as well as you get bigger pictures of all of my sewing mix, and I also list some of my favorite sewing room tools. So if you can, I love it if you go ahead and check out the new website and subscribe to get so you can know whenever I post a new blog post. All right, thank you so much. So today I wanted to come on and share with you a few things. So first, I wanted to share with you the pattern I just finished, and that is the Love Notions Everyday Play Dress. So I made this dress for my daughter Carmen, and I posted it on Instagram on Friday. It was the Feature Friday pattern. And I also sent it into the community box here so you guys can know about the sale that happened on Friday. But anyway, I decided to make her the everyday play dress. And this is a really cute dress. This is her dress right here. And it's a very simple pattern. There's just, 4 pattern pieces. So you have the front, which has a scoop neck, and then a regular high back, and then short sleeves or long sleeves, and there's also a bodice version with a crisscross front, but Carmen decided she wanted the full front for her dress. And then there's just the front and the back skirt pieces which you cut on the fold twice. So really simple. And then you have the sleeves. And again, like I said, you can do a long sleeves or short sleeves. So that's it, really. And the band, the neck band. So this version just has one piece for the neck band, but the V-neck has like a wrap style front, and it has a band that goes across the crisscross. But she picked out. Christopher. She picked out, she and I went into my sewing stash and we picked out these fabrics together, and I picked up this print. It's from Elliott Berman Textiles in New York City, and I picked that up January before last when I went up to New York City with my husband for his conference that he went to. So I'm so glad I finally sewed up with this fabric, but I have enough left over. I think I'm gonna make a raglan style top with it, because I think I have enough left over to make this print the main part of the raglan, and then I think I have enough to make gray sleeves with it, or I might do another color like one of the whites or the reds. And then Carmen decided that she wanted a belt to go with it because it's a looser style. She wore it around the house with it loose, but she also loves it with the belt, so she decided she wanted a belt with it. So I added a belt. It doesn't come with the pattern, but it's easy. I just cut out 4 inches wide rectangle, and then I cornered off the sides and to make the belt. So really easy. I just really simple pattern, simple way to make a belt. So the red in this belt really brings out the colors in this print. And I love the geometric look of this print for the skirt fabric. So that was my one thing that I've made recently. I've also been working on some other like pattern testing type things that I'll be sharing with you pretty soon. So the next thing I wanted to share with you is just a little mini haul, because I realized when I told you about the Watson bra, I didn't show you what I bought from Bra Builders. So from Bra Builders, well, I have a whole little lingerie haul right here. So from Bra Builders, I purchased the Art Deco bra kit, and it's a really nice kit, and it comes with all the notions that you need. The main feature is this lovely lace print fabric. Lace is beautiful. Let me come up close so I can show you. So it's this beautiful lace fabric. I love the detail on it. It is so pretty. And so you can either get it with caramel findings or pink findings, and I went with the caramel findings, and it comes with the power mesh, and then it comes with all of your straps as well as your underwires for the bra that you make, and the clasp. It comes with everything, and it was $26.50 for the Art Deco caramel kit. And to go with that, I also purchased the little panty kit, and that was that's $7 on the website to go with it. So I purchased the little panty kit so I can have a little matching set. And then from Emerald Erin, and yeah, that's all I bought from Bra Builders. And then from Emerald Erin, like I told you before, I did pick up the Jordy bralette kit, and I made my daughter's, well, it was supposed to be for me, but it came out too small, so I ended up giving it to her. But I do have enough left over to make it again. I have to get the findings kit. So it has this really pretty pink lace to it. So really pretty like daisies to it. So I have enough for the detail in the bralette, and it also comes with this sheer tool because it's sheer, and then it has the lace goes on the inset. And then I just have to purchase the findings for that. And then I also purchased the Jordy, Tuesday boy shorts kit, and that just comes with enough fabric to make some panties, and I think I could probably make a couple pair of panties with this kit, because look how much you get. You get all of this in the little kit. And I bought it as a bra and panties kit, and it came up to $21 for the bralette as well as the Tuesday boy short kit from Emerald Erin. And then the last lingerie item that I picked up was the Black Beauty bra kit, and I picked up a kit for version A, which has like the double straps, and I purchased the one with Duoplex. So it comes with this Duoplex 5 fabric, pretty shiny, because I just needed a new black bra. And then it comes with power mesh as well. And then it comes with the findings kit in all black for your elastics and your back clasp. And then it also comes, I got the one that has a tool detail. So it comes with this very pretty tool as well. And you just let her know in the comments that you also need wires, because if you don't, you won't get the wires. But I also got the wires to go with the kit. So, and that's no extra cost for the wires, but you do have to let her know that you want the wires. So those are all of my lingerie things that I picked up. And I also picked up from Mood Fabrics. Oh, one more lingerie thing, I'm sorry. I picked up this pattern, this Simplicity 8229 from Madeline Intimates. So I picked this up a while ago, but I forgot to add it in this haul. So I like that underwear from this pattern. I'm not too wild about the bra, but I wanted another underwear pattern. And this one has kind of the bottom of the, am I putting my hand on it? Let's see, can you see? The underwear has like long sides, but it cuts up high on the leg area. So that's why I picked up this pattern from Madeline Intimates. So really nice pattern. I'm looking forward to giving those a try. And then the last thing I picked up was this, let me tell you the full name of it. It's from Mood Fabrics, and it's a Mood exclusive fabric, and it's called the Amalgamation Stretch Cotton Sateen fabric. So this, I just like to call it the giraffe fabric. I picked up 3.5 yards of this fabric. It's beautiful. It has a giraffe print, and it's a cotton stretch sateen. So it has a little bit of stretch going this direction, but none going the opposite direction. So I'll be working on using this fabric pretty soon. I have an idea in mind for this, but I haven't totally decided what I want to make. But I did go ahead and pick this up from moodfabrics.com, and I used the code from T of Crumpets Tea and Sewing. She is working with Mood Fabrics, and so she had a code on her channel, so I'll link to her channel so you can get the code if you're interested in purchasing some fabric from Mood, or this fabric in particular, or any other fabric from them. You know, they have a great fabric choice. You know, they have wonderful fabrics and Mood. Anyway, I was supposed to be in New York last week for the So Much Talent trip, so I kind of missed going to New York. I was so looking forward to going to that, but it got canceled. But anyway, so that is my haul that I wanted to share with you today, and as well as the good news about my new website, and I hope you guys get a chance to check it out. And I'll leave links to everything that I purchased in the description box below. My link to Love Notions is an affiliate link. If you would like to support me, you can go ahead and click on a link to purchase any Love Notions pattern, and I receive a small commission from it, and I love your support. So thank you so much for watching, and please, if you get a chance to check out my new website, I appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I hope you all are having a blessed day. Take care. Bye.